This upgrade to Adagio Invoices version 9.1a has significant new features in regards to printing, emailing, faxing, and viewing documents. One feature is the ability of viewing PDFs of invoices or credit notes from other locations, such as edit customers or items, if you use Adagio ePrint. To set this up, edit the company profile, and on the Print Post tab, there is an option called Archive PDF Customer Copy. When Adagio ePrint is installed, and you generate a document in any way, an additional PDF will be saved in a specific location. Then, when you perform an inquiry such as viewing or editing a customer, and on the Transactions tab, when a document with a specific PDF has been highlighted in the grid, the View PDF button will be visible at the right. Click this button to access the view. The PDF will be shown on screen with all pages and is resizable either from the window or from fit to height or width. You can choose to have this PDF window always on top by clicking the Always on Top button. And this will allow you to highlight in the grid underneath and show particular documents, also using the cursor keys to load. This works not only for invoices, but also for credit notes. If a document does not have an associated PDF, it will not appear on the screen and the View PDF button will be suppressed. Viewing PDFs is available not only from editing customers from Adagio receivables, but also when accessing the transaction inquiry history in Adagio Invoices, or the item transaction query from Adagio Inventory. When you print, fax, or email documents, you can now choose to attach additional files. When you choose to print from open batches, or archive batches, or history, when you print either one or multiple documents or an entire batch and click the Print button, you'll see options for attaching PDFs. For each document type, invoices and credit notes, you can browse to a specified folder that is set up in the company profile from the Print Post tab, and select the PDF. These files should not have spaces or special characters. You can choose different files to attach depending on whether the document you're sending is an invoice or a credit note. When emailing, these PDFs will be additional attachments. When printing, additional pages will be printed. And when faxing, additional images will be faxed. If we email and add to the queue, the documents will be generated. And if we look at the email queue, we will see that in addition to the original attachment, we can see the auto-attached file for the invoice and the different one for the credit note. From the email queue, you can also attach additional documents and files of any type, not just PDF. You can do this directly from this screen by single or multi-selecting documents in the grid for the email queue and right-click to attach file. This allows selecting a very single specific attachment, whether it's a PDF or a spreadsheet or so on. Also, if you edit a single specific document in the queue, you can attach multiple files. Just browse to the folder of your choice, select the files that you'd like to attach, and they are there. Adagio Invoices now supports sending documents by the customer's preferred method, either print, fax, or email. To set this up, edit a customer and go to the Invoicing tab. In previous releases, you could choose to set which method is disallowed by deselecting particular methods, but that still allows sending documents via print or email when those are selected. Now, there is a new preferred send method choice, which is based on the allowed methods. When a customer has a preferred send method set, and multiple invoices are chosen to be printed, either from a batch or from a multiple selection within here or in history, when you print, there is an option called Match Customer Preferred Send Method. This works like a filter, so that if you choose to say print a batch of invoices, it will not print for those customers that prefer email, even if it's allowed to be printed. If you edit a specific invoice and print, you'll see that the match option is not available. When choosing to print a specific single invoice, it's assumed that you're allowed to send it every way. So if we go ahead and print using the match preferred method, and we'll choose to email, when we open up the queue, we'll see that only the single email was sent, not all of the invoices in the batch. If you regularly inquire or reprint documents from Adagio Invoices history, it is now easier to get at the most recent documents. Whether you open from the Inquiries or Maintenance menus, the Historical screen now includes a new choice to sort by the document number descending. If you want to set a default for this when you first open the screen, you can access the company profile, and on the System Options tab, just choose Invoice Descending as the default sort.